All right, so here's a really easy salad in a jar that I found through Trim Healthy Mama. It's considered an E, and this is what you need. All right, so you need lettuce, any kind of beans. I use black beans, chicken, I use it in the can, cottage cheese, some olive oil, a little bit, some vinegar. I like this balsamic vinaigrette, and then Splenda, the monk fruit kind, and then just, this is the wide mouth jar that I like. Alright, so the first things you're going to do is put your liquids at the bottom. I'm going to do a tiny little bit of olive oil. Then I'm going to add vinegar. Then add your sugar. I forgot to mention you're going to want to add cucumber, tomatoes, and a half apple. I'm going to go ahead and cut my cucumber right now. I'm going to snap and make this faster. Next, I'm going to cut tomatoes. I got these fresh from my Arrow garden. Alright, so this is what it looks like so far. They're all at the bottom with the liquids. Next, I'm going to add my beans. I'm using black beans here. I think they taste the best in the salad with the cottage cheese. I've also used pinto beans and they were good too. There are exact measurements that you could follow in the cookbook, and I'll link them below. But I kind of know what, I've made this so many times, I kind of know what I like. Alright, and then after you have all those things in, you're going to just add your lettuce. And I do a ton of lettuce on top. Alright, let's make this quicker. And I make this normally the night before, and putting the lettuce on top keeps it dry. And then I dump it out in a bowl, and all the sauce goes right on top of the lettuce, and the lettuce is on the bottom. Forgot to mention, add salt and pepper when you add the liquids at the very bottom. You can do it on top. Obviously, I'm doing it right now. But they also add to the flavor and make it really delicious. And I added a little bit too much here, but it still tasted good, so you should probably measure. Alright, so go ahead and put your lid on and put it in the refrigerator, and you'll have a fresh salad the next day. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.